Welcome, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And guess what time it is? It's time to unbox the March 2026 Sew Sampler box. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back. I'm so grateful you decided to join me on this unboxing of the Sew Sampler box, March 2026. There's something quite unique in this box, and you will find out what that is very soon. Hey you guys, guess what? The Quilting Camper is finally a part of the affiliate program with Fat Quarter Shop. Can you believe it? I'm so excited. What that means is that if you use my code right here and subscribe to the Sew Sampler box, I receive a very small commission, but it helps me build a partnership with Fat Quarter Shop and with you to get you the things that you need to do well with quilting and sewing. I'm just excited about this opportunity. I didn't think it was gonna happen, and it did. I'm just thrilled to death. But that does mean I still pay for all my boxes here at the Quilting Camper, and this box cost me $29 plus tax and shipping. But you guys know what? They are celebrating their 10th anniversary in April, and there's gonna be a slight price increase. And I will be honest with you, that little bit of price increase still makes this box the best value for sewing and quilting with notions in a subscription box. I believe it's gonna be $34.99 plus tax and shipping. And make sure that you go to that site on this QR code right here that I have listed and sign up. It only costs 99 cents to enroll, and as soon as they have an opening, they will send you a notification, and then they'll start billing you monthly. Now, the great news is that you can stop at any time. There's no pressure. It's awesome. I've been doing it since 2019, and I love it, as you can tell. But anyway, I'm really excited to find out what the April box is gonna look like, because it is their 10th anniversary box. They always do something special on anniversaries. I'm very excited to find out with you what that's going to be. I will also have those links in my description below, both for the Sew Sampler box and the Fat Quarter Shop for all your quilting supplies. Especially if you watched my video of the 10 top quilting tools that save me time and frustration, you can find all those tools at Fat Quarter Shop. So I'll have that link below as well. Remember, if you like what you see today, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. It means a lot to me that you are following me along on this quilting journey. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. March 2026. I do believe the block of the month quilt along has the full pattern in here, because April is when they start a brand new pattern for the quilt along. Let's see what the theme is this month. Sweet springtime. How awesome. With every Sew Sampler box, we always get a really cool code for either a sale item or an additional pattern. We get 2 of those codes. Plus there is a public code for a quilting pattern that's alternative to the one that's inside the box. And that's right here. There you go. And don't forget, May 9th is Jolly Bar Day. But yeah, this is good. We also get 15% of all Jolly Bars through the month of April. And that's exclusive to people who subscribe to the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box. With every box, you get this beautiful curated leaflet that shows you all the items that are in the box, giving you a nice description, which I'm going to read for you. I also like that they do this nice little grouping of the items that are featured in the box. It kind of gets those creative juices flowing of the things that you're about to see as you unbox your Sew Sampler. The first item in the box is one of my favorites, and you know I love that Fat Quarter Shop puts thread in our boxes. It's an Aurifil, small 50 weight Aurifil light salmon, 100% cotton Mako thread, a value of $6.98. Add a soft touch of sweetness to your sewing with this light salmon 100% cotton Mako thread by Aurifil. With 220 yards on each spool, this gentle, rosy petal feels right at home in your cheerful sewing space. Its warm, subtle glow blends beautifully with light fabrics without stealing the spotlight, making it perfect for piecing, quilting, and all those delicate details. Strong, smooth, and reliable, this high-quality thread ensures smooth stitching and polished results you'll love working with again and again. And I do use Aurifil for all my piecing, you guys. I use Color 2000. My little spool is getting down. It used to be a lot more fuller. It's starting to get there. And I believe this is also 50 weight. However, we recently got a spool of confetti cotton in one of our boxes. I think it was the February box or the January box. And confetti is a new thread that is made by Riley Blake, and it's a 60 weight. And I'm hearing a lot of people saying that the 60 weight allows you to get flatter seams and more detailed piecing. So I'm gonna give it a shot and let you know. But for now, I'm a huge fan of Aurifil, and I'm so grateful we got a spool of a color in our box. The next item in the box is something quite interesting. At first, when I saw some unboxings online, I thought, what on earth would be in this tiny little box? It is just the most adorable box. And it's made by Purple Hobbies? I like the name of that. 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handle by Purple Hobbies, a value of $6.98. The 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handle gives you control and curbs any cutter mishaps. It easily attaches to any ruler using self-adhesive steel discs, giving you a steady, comfortable grip. Once in place, the handle helps you hold the ruler while protecting your finger. See the included insert for more detailed instructions. Thoughtfully designed for control and convenience. It's a practical little helper that makes precise cutting feel easier and safer. All right, so it's basically a holder for your rulers. A couple years ago, maybe it was just a year ago, we got this doohickey from Fat Quarter Shop. I think it was in the Liberty box. And it is a suction cup that holds your ruler, and it gives it a nice grip. It just so happens there's a ruler in this box. So let's check out the next item to make sense of these items. All right, 2x6 Creative Grids ruler by Creative Grids, a value of $8.48. Fat Quarter Shop's Creative Grids custom ruler is a handy little helper that makes precision feel effortless. Its compact size is ideal for trimming small blocks, lining up angles, and tackling detailed cuts on quilts with confidence. Clear, easy-to-read markings keep everything accurate and smooth, and with grippy backing helps you cut with ease. Practical and polished, this ruler turns cutting into one of the most satisfying parts of sewing. I think that's something Kimberly Jolly would say. She loves to cut fabric. And to be honest, when you have tools like these, it is fun to cut fabric. How these tools work. This that comes in the box has some adhesive discs that you remove. It's like a sticky back. And then you put it on this. It gives you a grip so you can hold your ruler down confidently so it won't slip. Now, Creative Grids have this little friction pads on the rulers that help it not slip as well. So you don't really need something like this, but it does add the enhancement to keeping a steady grip when you're cutting fabric. I love this thing that we got in the Liberty box. It holds it down really well, and you get a lot of extra grip as well when you're pushing and cutting fabric. So this is really cool too. But I'm glad we got something smaller in the box. This is actually quite nice because it tends to be a little bulky, but they're both great tools. I'm happy that I got both of them now, because I can use this on another one. I usually use this with my 6.5 by 18-inch ruler for cutting fabric cuts, either strip cutting or just squaring down my fabric. And I always fold on the width, that way I don't have to worry about having a 24-inch ruler. That's why I like using an 18 by 6.5. It's just easier to manage in smaller spaces. But when I'm doing detail squaring off, or if I'm cutting up small pieces, this is really handy. I really love getting this in a box. This is like the perfect size too. Fat Quarter Shop included this cute little Ziploc pouch of all the patterns and had a little instruction note on how to use this. So that's really cool that they included that as well. The box is so cute, you guys. It looks like mini brands. It looks like something that's not supposed to have anything in it, if you guys are familiar with mini brands. You know what? There is a surprise in this box. There's 4 patterns in this box, not just 2. Holy cow. And you'll find out where. Block number 12, Flowering Quilt-A-Long. This month's Flowering Quilt-A-Long block and finishing is ready to bloom. Let your creative run wild as the sampler quilt sprouts into a forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed one, all flooring block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop, a value of $9.96. Now that's because the block is usually $4.98. And now they give us the finishing pattern for the entire quilt because it's March. It's the last box of the flowering quilt along. And that would also be $4.98. So you can get both of these patterns on the Fat Quarter Shop website if you don't subscribe to Sew Sampler. These are really awesome, especially if you get this box. Every month you can do this block. It just makes this box more fun. And then you get to make a quilt in March as well. And by April, we start a brand new quilt along. It's really cool. Now, the third pattern in this box is exclusive to the Fat Quarter Shop box. Taffy Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop, a value of $9.98. The Taffy Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is as sprightly and inviting as it sounds. With its playful angles and flowing layout, this design lets soft pastels and happy print shine, creating a quilt that feels light, bright, and full of movement. The repeating shapes gives it sweet, almost candy-like rhythm, while the clean structure keeps everything feeling polished and timeless. It's truly a feel-good project that's fun to sew. Now that is an amazing description. That doesn't make you want to make this pattern. I don't know what will. This actually, as I understand it, it's a pattern based on half square triangles, even though it looks more complicated than it really is. And of course, with every Fat Quarter Shop pattern that's exclusive to the Sew Sampler box, on the back gives you all the things that you need for background, backing, and binding. And of course, as you know, Jolly Bar month is on May 9th. So guess what cuts in the box? Yes, a Jolly Bar, a pre-cut from Fat Quarter Shop by Moda Fabrics. And because Fat Quarter Shop included a Jolly Bar in this box, every Jolly Bar gets its own exclusive pattern. And this is called Pastel Prairie. Every time you buy a Jolly Bar from Fat Quarter Shop, whether it's in the Sew Sampler box or you just buy a Jolly Bar from them directly, you get a pattern with that Jolly Bar. Now these are so beautiful, you guys. This is Pastel Prairie Jolly Bar by My So Quilty Life for Moda Fabrics. It's a value of $24.98. I love the colors in here. And I'm not gonna open up this bar because I will probably wanna save it for a while. And once you open these up, you can't get them folded back. But I'm gonna show you all the colors in just a moment. Step out under the warm sun and wander into the Pastel Prairie with My So Quilty Life. This Jolly Bar includes 5x10 pieces of the full collection and a free exclusive quilt pattern. Pastel Prairie is filled with gentle florals, drifting across buttery yellows, blush pinks, minty greens, and sky blues, all mingling with cheerful ginghams and dainty stripes. With its light, fresh palette and charm, it feels like the first true days of spring, adding just the right hint of sweetness to the season. Really pretty. And here are the colors right here. Aren't those prints just beautiful? They do truly remind me of spring. Is the March 2026 Sew Sampler box sweet springtime themed? I think so. I paid $29.99 plus tax and shipping. It's around 35 bucks. And the total value worth of this box is $67.36. Now that doesn't include the extra pattern that you get with the Jolly Bar, but there is no cost on it because it comes with a Jolly Bar. I don't know. It seems like a good value to me. I like the ruler. And I definitely like the Jolly Bar and the 4 patterns. I mean, the block of the month, the finishing kit for the 12 blocks, the actual exclusive pattern, plus the Jolly Bar pattern. That's a lot of patterns in one box. And of course, the thread. The thread is so pretty, and I love the salmon color. There's a lot of things you can do with this type of color, especially if it's something bright and cheery. Great for binding or decorative stitching, and even some top stitch quilting if you like to do that on craft projects. Because of course, a little spool like this is probably not going to do a full-size quilt, but you definitely could do like a table runner or a throw, something like that. It's a nice size to work with because you can try the color and you don't feel like you have to have the color forever. And of course, the little ruler gripper, this is kind of cute. I do like the one I got in the Liberty box years ago, but for those of you that didn't get that particular product, it's nice to have another one that you can use. So what do you guys think? What's your favorite item in this box? What stood out to you the most? Do you like the 4 patterns that you get in here? Do you like getting thread in our boxes? I know I do. Leave comments below and let me know which item stood out to you the most. And don't forget, Jolly Bar month is in May and Jolly Bar Day is on the 9th. It's awesome. Check out Fat Quarter Shop's website, YouTube channel, and blog to find out more details on what you can do with these fabulous cuts. It does include every print in the colorway pattern for that fabric launch, but think of a Jolly Bar as half of a layer cake. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here on the Quilting Camper. I am working on a really incredibly fun video, but because it's tax time and I'm going through my stuff, I probably won't post it for another 2 weeks or so. So please bear with me. I'm a little busy right now getting those things squared away. And I remember telling you how I have the Quilting Camper as an LLC. I'm still trying to get my sales permit for the state of Wisconsin with the name on it, trying to get all those details done so I'm ready to go to HH Americas, which is the big quilting and crafting trade show in May. I love going there, making connections, and of course, I'm gonna search for stuff to put in my shop. I'm so excited about it. Remember, if you like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends and family that the Quilting Camper is a thing. I really want to get this channel to grow exponentially. Remember, I want to give this stuff away. In order for me to give this stuff away, I have to get to so many watch hours and so many subscribers, and I'm getting really, really close. I know we can do this, you guys. I know you've got my back, and I really appreciate you for following me here. And thank you for engaging me on my last couple of videos. It's been so much fun having conversations with you, answering questions, and having you share helpful tips as well. That's why always remember to leave comments below. And remember, I do pay for all my Sew Sampler boxes, but I am an affiliate with Fat Quarter Shop. Those codes will be in my description below if you decide to utilize those when you purchase items from Fat Quarter Shop. I earn a very small commission, but it lets Fat Quarter Shop know that the Quilting Camper is a great resource for all your needs, and I really appreciate your help for me getting here. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. And of course, it's Aurifil. It's an Aurifil. It's an Aurifil. How about an Aurifil? I can't get this item out. Ah! Here we go. Ooh, cool. The Taffy Quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is as sprightly. Is that springly? No, Spriggly? What? Okay, it's Sprigghtly. Spriggly? Spriggly? I don't think this is a word. I've never seen that word before. It's sprightly. Oh, it's sprightly. Okay, good. They must have a thesaurus at Fat Quarter Shop when they write these descriptions, because I would never think of some of these words. I'm still freaking out over Ditsy prints from years ago, but I do know what that means now. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.